2024 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.